Now I'm going to show you a beautiful house which is next to Indian Hills. You guys can see the house is very beautiful. If you see this house from long distance, you will see it and it looks very nice. So we were just enjoying the weather and we were talking about it. You guys can see the weather is very nice. You guys can see the big hills. Okay, so we were just walking through the breeze and through the street, and we were talking about the nature of beauty. And you guys you can enjoy this nature of beauty if you come to this side, and if you come in this area you'll enjoy this kind of weather. Okay, now we can see a bird which is flying over this house and it looks very nice. We can believe that we were watching this kind of weather here. So if you guys come this side, you will enjoy this kind of weather. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.